welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrew, thanks for joining me today, and I'm sharing with you today how to make this gorgeous little traditional style flower basket, which is full of mini eggs, which is great for a little Easter party or a little gift to leave on someone's table. It's got gorgeous vellum butterfly here, some little flowers, lovely ribbon, and it's made using a lattice work of Gingham Gala papers. So before I eat them all, I'm going to show you exactly how I made this. Okay, so I finished making my little weave, and I'm using the large side as the outside, so I've folded everything onto the inside. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a handle on, so I'm going to put that on the inside. So I'm just going to hold it there and put it in my crocodile. Just going to use the smaller punch. You can use whatever you want to use. What am I even doing? I need to glue it on first. So I'm going to glue it on first. So I'm going to put some glue there, put some glue there. I'm going to glue it to that side. Hold it down. And then I'll punch through with my crocodile. You see I've edged all of those off. Going to pop a hole in there, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick these doilies in. So I'm just going to more or less cover the base with glue. I'm going to pop a doily in just so it comes over the edge of the basket. I'm going to do the same on the other side. Just put some glue. This will just make it look quite pretty and girly on the other side. And then I'm going to put another one here. Just got some, doesn't matter if it's not all attached, because it'd be nice to have, I like to have the sort of bits kind of floating about, because it's quite nice for giving a bit of texture and a bit of relief. Right, so I'm not going to glue it to the end there, because obviously I want to move the handle over and I want to just punch a hole through there. And then just pop your ribbon through. So there's our little basket. How cute is that? I don't know if you can see properly because of the sun, but there it is. So you've got a lovely gingham basket, and you've got that lovely little doily edge poking through. So pretty. So that's it, it's all ready. I've stuck a little butterfly on and some of the little flowers, and yeah, it's really pretty. Okay, thanks for joining me. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.